Hello. I want to talk about why I now care about animal rights more than human rights, or animals more than people. And this is based on my experiences. I served in the Peace Corps, dedicating 2 years of my life working for many human rights and human causes, humanitarian issues, from food banks, homeless shelters, disabled veterans, Habitat for Humanity, Navajo tribes, disadvantaged youth, Camp Easter Seal, rural and urban area projects, and much more. Now, the reason why I now care about animals more than people, and am not ashamed, is because people are not innocent. Most are self-centered. When they have, they don't care about what's below them. For example, someone wins the lottery, they buy huge houses and a bunch of junk, fancy cars, and most don't even consider giving it to charity or helping others. Most people won't even leave other species alone. Yes, I'm vegan, and I just want people to leave them alone. I actually help more people being a vegan than I did when I was serving in the Peace Corps or doing humanitarian causes. So while I don't care, I am actually helping people a ton. First of all, I'm preventing about 37 land animals a year from a lifelong of suffering. 37. 35 being birds, because they're small and most abused in factory farms. Look up a factory farm video of birds. Not counting aquatic and fish farms and trawler nets, which accumulate many more deaths and casualties and suffering long-term of sentient beings and mammals just like us that suffer the same. Next, I'm helping our environment tremendously. Look up the correlation between animal agriculture and our environment. It's astronomical. It's worse than cars, planes, and trains combined. Next, I am helping our healthcare system drastically. Look up heart disease in connection to our diets, animal-based diets, fast foods, and such. I'm helping our healthcare system drastically. And finally, I'm helping reduce world hunger drastically by simply leaving animals alone. Most of our crops feed force-bred animals. Force-bred. It takes about 15 pounds of grains or corn for just 1 pound of meat in return. Yes, they poop it out, crap it out, most of it, or burn it off just living. So it's very inefficient. Like if you were going to eat me, and you fed me your food, I'm not going to put on 15 pounds of weight for every 15 pounds of food you feed me. So my point is, animals, cruelty, lifelong suffering of sentient beings, environment, healthcare, and world hunger or massive food waste are all connected to animal rights, or simply leaving animals alone and off your plate. Simply leaving them alone. But most people are too selfish, too addicted, who just don't care to learn the truth and look what they're supporting. Look up what they're supporting. They're paying hitmen to terrorize, rape, enslave, and terrorize other species. But they don't care because it's not them. And they don't care until it is them. Then they cry like a victim when they've been the victimizer their whole life. So, while I help people indirectly and unintentionally, and probably help more people than I ever helped before, and most people, humanitarians even help, my focus will always be animals from now on. Because most people don't deserve to be helped until they respect others' suffering. So please stop overpopulating as well and use birth control. Thank you.